So in the discovery for this chapter, we're asked to do a verbal, a drawing of the figure number, describe it geometrically, tabular, and an equation. So I'm going to look at this thing called cow pen. So when I have a cow here, what I'm seeing on my drawing is I have kind of these end gates, and they're 3 tall. I'm going to call them like the end gates of the pen. You can call them whatever you want. You don't even have to see it this way, but this is how I see it. So I'm seeing 2 groups of 3, and those are the end gates. So 2 end gates, I'm going to call them that. And then I also see surrounding the cow 1 above and 1 below. So then I see 2 per cow. So if I look at the next pattern, I have still my 3 end gates. Looks like I now have 2 cows. My other end gate. So this still looks like it is 2 groups of 3 on the ends. And then I have 2 per cow. So this cow has 2, this cow has 2. So I have 2 per cow. So I think I've come up with the equation and also describe this as 2 per cow. So that's one way to see it. So here is the drawing. Here is it described geometrically. Now if I'm going to make a table, if I had 1 cow, if I have 1 cow and I count the number of fence panels, I see 6, 7, 8. If I have 2 cows, I see 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I had 5 cows, I would see 2 groups of 3 for the end gates and 2 per each cow. So that's kind of how you want to write this. And so it looks like I have a formula developed. I have my geometric description. I have a drawing. I have my tabular, and then the last thing I want to do is I want to graph it. So you're going to plot those values in your table. So if I have 1 cow, so these are my cows. If I have 1 cow, I have 8, and so forth. So you're going to want to make sure you label. So I'm going to call this my fence, and make sure that you label and plot them. So that's what I'm asking you to do in those 3 patterns.